number 2403-1022. Okay, here are the issues. The point one is how can young people maintain the opportunity to become biological parents even though they delay pregnancy, and issue two is there any technology that can help care women by part time. Here the objective. The first to explain the concept of egg freezing as a biological and technological solution, and to examine its relevance for young people in medical, social, and medical contexts. Okay, the introduction. The development of the era has changed the way the younger generation views many things, including reproduction. Generation Z and millennials now like increasingly online social, economy, and lifestyle pressure. Many of them use the postpone marriage and pregnancy for the sake of education, career, or self-discovery. On the other hand, the human body has biological limitations, especially for women. Fertility decreases with age, and the quality of egg cells will continue to decline after the age of 30. This is where technology called egg freezing comes as a solution. This technology allows women to freeze their eggs at a fertile age 4 years later when they are ready to get pregnant. In this context, we expressing technical form of reproductive destiny management, a step to overcome biological time with medical technology. What is egg freezing and how does it work? Okay, egg freezing is an assisted reproductive technology or ART that allows women to store their eggs in a frozen state until the desired time. The process begins with hormone stimulation to stimulate the ovaries to produce several mature eggs. After that, the eggs are taken through a medical procedure and frozen using cryopreservation technology, which is freezing with liquid nitrogen and extreme temperature. This egg can be stored for years without losing quality and can later be used in the vitro fertilization process. This technology provides great hope for women who still want to have biological children, even though they postponing pregnancy for various reasons. Why is egg freezing relevant for Gen Z and millennials? Today, young generation face many challenges in planning a family. Many women choose not to rush into marriage or having children because they want to pursue a career, complete their education, or do not feel mentally or financially ready. However, biological reality shows that women's fertility has a time limit. With egg freezing, women can safeguard the eggs at young age when their quality is still optimal. They still have the opportunity to get pregnant with their own eggs in the future. Even though they are no longer young, this gives them freedom and control over the timing of their reproduction, something that is very valuable and in today's social change. In biological and biomedical perspective, egg freezing allows women to maintain their reproductive potential by using technology to counter natural biological decline. Egg frozen at a young age are more likely to result in a healthy pregnancy than eggs taken at an older age. From a biomedical perspective, this technology is part of the advancement in fertility and reproduction. Many fertility clinics around the world already use this technology routinely and have successfully helped thousands of women to become mothers, whether for medical reasons such as cancer or social reasons such as not finding a suitable partner. The challenge and ethical consideration, despite its promise, egg freezing still has this challenge. It's still relatively expensive and not readily accessible, especially in developing countries. In addition, there are ethical issues to consider. Some worry that this technology will make women to relax about postponing pregnancy or even making pregnancy a future project. There are also questions about how the frozen eggs will be used, the rights to be embryos, and the storage time limits. However, with the right education and supportive policies, this technology can be used ethically and responsibly. The conclusion of this material is that freezing is not just about technology, but about the choice. For Gen Z and millennial women, it is a form of freedom over their bodies and their future. They can continue to pursue their dreams without having to sacrifice the opportunity to become mothers. With advanced in biotechnology and biomedicine, humans can now regulate the rate of life more flexibly, including in terms of reproduction. This technology is not a substitute for biological time, but a tool to adjust the time to the realities of modern life. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Do any friends to want to ask questions? Okay, to Esa, I listen.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Isha Krishna. I want to ask you, what are the medical and non-medical factors that drive Gen Z and millennial women to consider egg freezing product?
Okay, thank you, Esa. Do any of my friends want to ask question again? So I Audina, I
Okay, what are the long-term effective and risks of the egg freezing product in relation to pregnancy success at an older age?
Okay, thank you, Audina. Do any of my friends want to ask question again? Okay, Kusaniti, time is yours.
Okay. Ibu Rosa, I want to what extent can egg freezing be considered as socially and economically just selection if there was a limited access in some countries.
Okay, thank you, Kusaniti. Okay, I want to answer a question from Eksan. The question is, what are the medical and non-medical factors that drive Gen Z and millennial women to consider egg freezing? The answer is, medically, women may consider egg freezing if they have conditions such as endometriosis, cancer that requires chemotherapy, or limited egg results. Non-medically, many Gen Z and millennial women are delaying marriage and pregnancy because they want to focus on education and career, or have not found the right partner. Egg freezing provides a sense of security because they can preserve their reproductive potential in the future. Okay, that's all for me. Do Esa understand?
Thanks for the answers. I enjoyed it.
Okay, thank you. The next question is from Alina. What are the long-term effectiveness and risks of egg freezing in relation to pregnancy success at an older age? The answer is the effectiveness of egg freezing depends largely on the age at which the eggs are frozen. The younger the eggs, the higher the quality and chance of success. Vitrification or fast freezing technology has improved the survival rate of eggs when the wet. However, risks remain, including implantation failure, chromosomal abnormalities, and pregnancy complications later in life. However, many studies have shown the success rate of pregnancy from eggs frozen in the early 30 is quite high. Okay, that's all for me. Do Dina understand?
Okay, I can understand the answer.
Okay, thank you, Adina. The last question from Senini. To what extent can accuracy be considered a socially and economically just solution, given the cost and limited asset in some countries? The answer is accuracy is often only affordable for the middle to upper class due to the high cost of both the freezing procedure and storage. In some countries, freezing is only covered by insurance for medical reasons, not healthcare. Despite inequality of access with the increasing trend of women delaying pregnancy, it is important to accurate public policy and the expert access and education, but increasing so that it does not become a privilege for a few. That's all for me. Do Sunini understand?
Okay, I can understand the answer.